Space. Guys, watch this. Sometimes the birdies will pop their heads out, the babies.
Oh, there they go.
There's one. And there's one, you see that little thing right there? Right there, that's a baby. That little like white thingy. It looks white. Oh, look it. See that? So cute. I think there's another one. Oh my god, that's so cute. There goes another one. Oh my god, that is so cute. Oh, there's one right there. Oh my god, they're so cute.
3, 2. Oh, it didn't work.
I'm gonna wait until the mom comes back and then I'm gonna start recording again. Oh my gosh, look at the mommy's feeding. Oh, there she goes. Oh, escape. There's one, she's trying to get out. Oh, she's trying to get out. That one is so cute right there. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you could see. But it's so cute. See that little white thing? It says beak sticking out.
She's back.
Oh my gosh, there she is. Look at that, it's so cute. She's gonna feed her babies. Oh, all three of them just came up.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, and she's off. She's off to find more food.